Life has been frustrating lately, holding tight onto a country that doesn't want me here. Darling, I feel like I've been drowning, choking on responsibilities that I don't want. And I write letters to you in my diary, begging to escape far away, just the two of us, driving to the seaside, reading in the fading lights. In my letters to you in my diary, you ask me away, far away from the life we know. Cool adventure guy, you just have to tell me where to go. These days, motivation's hard to find. Digging for it in my mind, I wonder what I'm looking for. If only I could be in your arms one more time. You give me the hope to see the light at the finish line. And I write letters to you in my diary, begging to escape far away, just the two of us, driving to the seaside, reading in the
Good morning and welcome to another adventure vlog. My name's Tara and I'll be popping in every once in a while to give you the lowdown. So as you saw last night, we got into the outflow recreation area and set up camp. And this morning we decided to take it slow and set up the rest of camp and get our stuff ready for the kayak journey ahead. And as you see here, this is Betsy. And here's a little bit of some clips from our camp area. It was a little jam-packed, but everyone was really nice and it was a beautiful day. Here's a little bit of our tent setup. It got a luxury upgrade with Betsy's bed inside. And here's the bathroom area. It wasn't as bad as other situations, so that was awesome. What's up? And here's the part of the yoga hini, I believe, that we are going to do today. And, well, we'll see you on the water. Bye.
I don't know if something's tugging at it.
What?
Something was tugging at it. Well, now it's gone.
Took it away.
What? Oh, I'm gonna reel it
Or
in.
was it bumping the bottom?
Maybe. Well, let's see.
Doesn't have any seaweed on it. See if it was bitten. What's that?
Okay. Oh no! Whoa, bro.
Alright, cast to the left or the right.
Wait. It got stuck.
That's not gonna work. Hand it back to me. You're good.
Oh, sorry. There's lots of ruckus going on.
Yeah, no, you're doing good. Remember how bad I was doing? Oh, look, we're coming right up on these footy mergansers. This rock, there you go.
Actually, I can see it better over here. Oh man, look at that thing. That they don't even.
Ancient
Ew.
creek mud.
Look at this wooden fish net. That's crazy. You just reeled it in.
Oh, fish are out.
Where? Banto. They're crawling out.
No, you don't. Get back out. A real tiny one.
here it is, day 2 amateur hour, out on the water. See how it goes.
Right here, where this post is, right here. Shit, we gotta get around these rocks.
Just done a crawfish boil. I don't know about this.
Oh my god.
Feeling cocky. You're not gonna go get it. Ready? Ready?
Oh, she got it.
Easy.
What? Are you impatient? Are you ready to go? Okay. Stop it. I'm like, really gonna freak out. Why are we going closer to it? We camp like next to it? No, not even. It's more like The Conjuring or something.
morning. Isn't Betsy the cutest? I just love her.
Roll out.
Anyway, so now we're on our way to Green Ridge State Forest. This is probably one of our favorite places to go, and we've been going for about 7 years now. Checking out different camping spots all along. It's a lot of different hikes, a lot of fun stuff.
Whoa.
Come on, Betsy. Here you go. 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 Come on.
Jumping.
One way. Watch this.
No, no. Stop it. You stink.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're going under.
No.
Help me, Betsy! Come here! Don't claw me! Come here! Pull me! Pull me! Come on!
Lassie! I have you, Daddy. Back to safety. Oh, it feels nice over here. It's like nice and warm right here.
Take me ashore!
Good morning. So today we are going on a really long hike, or what we like to call a death march. There's a trail that Zach wanted to check out in Green Ridge, so we'll go along that, and here are some of the stops along the way. We're also looking for the pawpaw fruit. One of the first things we stumbled upon was this old canal lock.
I'm trapped. Down there? What?
We're going out that way anyway, so we have to get out to the roof.
How are we gonna do that?
You son of a bitch. You know how old I am. I've lived in this tunnel since it used to be a train tunnel. Ow!
Ooh!
Scratched me.
Betsy, don't.
Tunnel retreat. Oh no, it's a tunnel troll. Who goes there?
It's only embarrassing to me because I have my camera filming, so. Oh my god.
Oh, can you feel the air right now? Oh, closer when the sun comes down. Oh, and you know, let's just flow and flow and flow and flow and oh, can you feel the air right now? So tired of thinking for them. Just let me travel on my own, 'cause we'll be leaving soon. I'd go out walking alone. Cold breezes clear my head, they make space for you. Oh, can you feel the air right now? Oh, closer when the sun comes down. Oh, and you know, let's just flow and flow and flow and flow and oh, can you feel the air right now? It's early, wait by my door. Patiently wait for them to leave. It's just you and me. Your eyes answer to mine, no disguise. Guess I don't mind your blind lies. I got your signs, so